welcome to CrochetSmash. Today's video I will show you how to make a beanie with rice stitch pattern. It is very simple. I made a rectangle using the rice stitch pattern and the half double crochet. Now let us start making this rectangle into a beanie. I started from this side and made the rice stitch pattern, and there are some half double crochets here, then again the rice stitch pattern. I made sure this rectangle will be enough to cover my head. So we finished this one leaving a long loop. So I'm going to tighten that yarn over there. I have a long tail, yarn tail here. Now I'm going to use my yarn needle. First of all, we are going to make this rectangle into a tube by stitching the short sides together. It's very easy, just match up the stitches and you can this is the method I am going to use, like from one side to the other, then I am going to return to the same side and passing my needle with the corresponding stitches. I'm using only the outer stitches to make it together. Let us see what happens inside. Okay, it looks neat. So let us continue making it all the way to this short end. Once we meet all the way here and done all the way here, we will meet again. Now I am here up to this corner, and now we have a tube. We made that rectangle into a tube. Now I am going to just go through these stitches to the top stitches. Okay, I'm going to go through these ones just like in and out. I guess you understand what I'm doing. So go through some holes in here, come in, go through the next hole, go out, then come inside through the next hole, just like that. Okay, this is an easy technique. When you are a beginner, you can perfectly make a cap fitting to your head. You just have to make a stitch pattern and making a rectangle that will go around your head. Then you start, that will be the beginning no, you stitch whatever your pattern is to make the height of the heart you want. Then you make the rectangle as long as your as long is it needed to cover your head, like a go around your head, then it will be fine. Then you make rectangle, like you made the height, then you make add up rows and rows of your pattern, then try it on your head whether it will be enough to cover your head, the circumference. Then once it is there, you stop the pattern, then make it into a tube like I did, then just zigzag it on the other side, and you can gather just like, see, just have to be careful though. Just go in and out. Just go in and out. And we are almost there where we begin. We begin the top here, right? Yeah, now we are there. Now we just cinch it tight, 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 tight. See, it's a beanie now. Now just go through your stitches and come up a little more and tighten. You can knot, give a little bit of knots in between, like just like that, and go through that loop over here and just tight, tight, tight. Then do one more the same, like that will give you a double knot. Yeah, I have my loop here, right? Then go through that one. Okay, see, it is tight. Now you can get your yarn needle inside. And we need to hide. So go through a few more times through these stitches to make the top close. I'm just improvising it. Wherever, if it feels like open, then I'm trying to stitch it through. Yeah, that made it close. Loop it, then take through that loop again. Now all is left is to hide your yarn tail a bit before cutting it. So I'm going to stitch, go through some of the chains, some of the stitches, this way, that way, and every way you can go to hide it. we can just cut the yarn right here, and we are done with that. Now you see how my hat fits. The top is like this. You can add a pom-pom if you like, but I never added pom-pom to any of my beanie hats. So this is nice. It has just a little bit of rim. The pattern shows up nicely. Looks good. Feels good too. It fits me perfectly.